Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to use TurboTax in 2025. First, you'll have to go and sign up, create yourself an Intuit account, and after that you should search for TurboTax and you should log in into TurboTax using your Intuit account. Now let's consider that you have done all these steps. It will show you this page, and now they're going to ask you some questions, so make sure to answer them all honestly and without any bias or wrong data, because this will affect the deductions and the results that you will come up with. So now let's start. First, they will ask you some general questions like if you want to maximize deductions and credits, or if you donate it to charity. I will choose the first option. Employment, you can tell them if you have a job or a freelancer or self-employed. I'm just gonna choose what is best fit for me for now, and this is just for the demonstration, so I do not actually have to put all things accurate, but in your case you will have to answer all things accurately and with honesty. And here you can even check more than one option. It is not only for one option, you can even use multiple options. Now here in the housing section, I paid rent, for example, or I own a home. Investments, you can even leave it blank if you need. So after that, you can click on continue. And now it will show you another question. How comfortable do you feel doing your own taxes? This informs the recommendation, including expert help options. So here in my case, I'll choose any option. You can also choose the best option that is fit for you. I will choose this one, then click on continue. They will show you this page and they will offer you some plans if you want to start. But here in my case, I'll just start for free. Now, they'll ask you how did you do your taxes last year. I will simply tell them that didn't fill taxes last year, then click on continue, or choose any other option that is best fit for you. Now here it tells me that I can actually finish in 1 hour and 42 minutes. So I'm gonna just click on continue, and here on the left side you will find more options, including the tax home option, info, documents, etc. Now here we are in this section right here. We are in this step. We'll have to complete all these steps by answering the questions that they will give me. And after that, you can finish and file your taxes. So here in my case, I'll just click on continue. It will jump me directly to the info page. Now you have to fill in all these information. And as I said before, make sure to be accurate and right. Add your first name, middle name, and this one is optional, last name, and if you are a junior, senior, etc. In addition to the date of birth and occupation or job title. And once you type one letter like this, you will find more options. So here in my case, I'm a freelancer, so I'm going to choose this one, then click on continue. And now here you will have to provide your SSN or social security number. So make sure that this one is accurate. Here in my case, I'll just click on skip for now or click on continue. But you need to know that you will have to fill in this information later. Now here you should choose the state of residency. So here I live in Nevada, I'm going to choose it. And now we should read all these carefully. If you were a member or former member of the U.S. Armed Forces, Active Reserve, or National Guard, if you lived in another state in 2024, you'll have to check this option, then choose the state that you have been before. I have been in New Jersey, for example. Date you came a resident of Nevada. If you have another taxpayer that can claim you as a dependent on their tax return, but in my case, I do not actually have. So once you check any one of these options, sometimes it may add more questions according to your answer. So here, are you preparing this return for fam who has passed? Actually, this is my own, so I didn't die yet. So you should uncheck this. I'm an non-resident alien or dual status alien spouse. This one is not, I will not check it also. I'm currently incarcerated. I will not check it also. And if you cannot actually understand what they are saying, you can click on this question mark icon and they will tell you exactly what they mean by this small phrase. And if it was helpful, just click on yes. And if you find actually any problem, you can simply click on contact us and talk to their customer support. Now, after you fill in the information, you can simply click on continue. Here they will ask you about your household. I'm single and I have no kids right now. If you have an untraditional situation, you can simply click on this one right here and it will show you more options that you can choose from. Here in my case, I'll click on continue. And now they'll ask you, did you make money in any other states? I'll choose no, I didn't make money in any other states, to be honest. And here it will show you some examples of what counts as making money in another state. This means living in one state and working in another, owning or inheriting a business, farm, or rental property, selling a home, gambling winnings, etc. So if you want to learn more, you just click on learn more right here and it will show you more information on the right side. So here I will click on continue. And here it tells me that there are some missing info. This is normally because I didn't actually add my SSN number, but you should fill it when you do that. And if you have another income state, you can click on this option. You can also add your address or phone number. So here I will click on revisit if I have another income. But here in my case, I do not actually have any income. So I'm going to click on back again, then click on continue. Now you have added your information. They'll tell you that don't miss out on important updates. So you can choose between text me critical notifications about my TurboTax return and alerts when my tax forms are available. And this will only be displayed if you have added your phone number like me just right here. So in my case, I will not actually choose any one of these things. I'll just choose continue because I do not want them to send me notifications. But you can choose any one of these options. We just need your okay on a couple of things. Just click on review and sign. So you'll have to review all this information. Then you have to sign to this application right here. So I'm going to type here my name, then click on sign it on 15 to 2025, then click on agree. And now we will have to review your data. So click on review and sign, then click on agree, but make sure to read all this information wisely and carefully. After that, click on agree, then click on continue. And now here it will show you a small offer if you want to get all these features, including identity theft monitoring, full audit representation, full identity restoration, identity theft insurance. You can get these features by using another plan. So you can get this max plan for $60 or simply click on do not add max if you do not want to continue with paying more money. So here it will show you this section, wages and income. Just click on add my income and you should also answer these questions carefully. After answering them, click on continue again. And now you will have to go into each step that they will show you right here. So click on start on each one of these sections, self-employment, income, and expenses. Click on start, answer all these questions. So you just have to read this question carefully and read also these things down below and answer by yes or no. For example, here they will ask me if you work, let's say that I work in graphic designing, for example, then click on continue. They will need more info, click on continue. You can choose between these options, then click on continue again, then select all that apply, then click on continue. So you have to be careful when reading all these questions because every wrong data that you will actually put, it will get you into trouble because you will not get any accurate rates. So here, after all that, it will ask you to type in my expenses or connect my accounts. Just click on type in my expenses, click on continue. Now click on get started. Now you'll have to choose the categories that you have. If you have something less common, just scroll down and you'll find your other options. You can choose between them or you can simply search for a specific thing that you are looking for. Then click on continue. And now you will have to add your income for this work, business summary. So you'll have to add all these information by clicking on this pencil icon, then add all things accurately. Then click on continue. So in fact, the process is very easy. You just have to read the question carefully, then answer it precisely, and that is it. And after you finish all these things, you will have to review all the data. And this is going to be the final step just before finishing and filing. So you just have to go to tax home, fill in all these things, just click on them, click on let's get started, then fill in all the important information. So just answer them honestly. And here on the top, you will find this line. Once you finish or about to finish this line, it will be green. It will be turning from gray to green like this. And it will tell you exactly how much time would you spend actually to fill in all this information. So you just need some patience, concentration to fill in all these things. And once you finish them, you can simply click on review and review all your data entered. Then click on check my return. And if you want to edit anything, you can simply go to these options on the left side and edit them. Here it tells me that 3 details for you to review. I'm going to click on continue. And here it will tell me exactly what are the things that need to be reviewed by me. Just review them, add the missing data, and you can simply file your taxes in the final step. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.